Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to make a photo collage on Canva step by step. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to create, edit, and download your own photo collage easily. So, let's get started. First, open the Canva website by going to canva.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the option called Photo Collage. Now, click on the Photo Collage option. You'll see many templates appear. Choose the one you like and click on Customize Template. Now, your photo collage will open in the editor. If you want to edit any picture, you can easily do that. Then click on the Elements section from the left sidebar. Now, for example, I want to add a new photo, so I'll click on it. After that, resize the photo properly to fit your collage frame. And now, it's added successfully. If you want to add another photo, choose any other image from the Elements section. Now select this one, resize it, and place it wherever you want. You can repeat the same step. Once your collage looks perfect, it's time to download it. Click on the Share button at the top right. Then click on Download. Now again, click on Download, and your photo collage will start downloading automatically. And that's it. You've just learned how to make a photo collage on Canva. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Canva tips and design guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.